Hello everyone, and welcome to our first episode in our track series. So to give you a little bit of a backstory, we have a client that came to us about 1.5 years ago, wanted to get a full MPP catalog installed on his vehicle. He had not been to the track before, but he was very passionate about starting to go to the track. So we did a whole bunch of MPP suspension bits on it, wheels, tires, pads, lines, fluid, the whole works. And afterwards, he had actually moved away a good 1.5 to 2 hours away and wasn't able to come back to visit us. We had run into him at the track a few times at a few Tesla Corsa events. We did kind of just do a brief walk around, look at his tires and basic stuff. We didn't ever get under the car. Well, after the last event, he actually had a noise that came up and he wanted us to check it out. So he made the 1.5-hour drive. He had been dealing with this ticking sound. Every time he would be driving, it would be tick, tick, tick. And he couldn't figure it out. He thought it was a rock or something like that. Well, it turns out that what it was is this bolt that holds the dust shield behind the rotor. So this bolt had backed out and actually was just stuck between the back of the rotor and this dust shield. Once we removed this and we found that, it really reinforced the fact that we needed to go through this whole vehicle, and that's what served as a catalyst for this video. In this video, we are going to show you guys a comprehensive inspection of what we do on our own vehicles, as well as our customer vehicles that come to see us for a tech inspection. We do recommend that you do a comprehensive inspection every few track days. In addition to that, during your track day and before every track day, there are some basic things you'll always want to do. So, check it out. Another thing we wanted to add is we see a lot of guys, newcomers, heading to the track with their Teslas and they still have their aero caps and center caps installed on their wheels. So whether you have OEM wheels or aftermarket wheels, if those things can pop out, please do remove them before you hit the track. The last thing we want is for them to come loose at the track, and as you guys may or may not know, we race with our windows down. Nobody wants to get a flying disc in their face.
So we're up here under the drive unit and we're just looking at the drive shaft seals. This is a pretty common area for these things to leak. If you're still under warranty, Tesla will take care of that.
Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And there you go, guys. We hope this video was informative and that you guys stay safe at the track. We'll see you out there on the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.